Hey traders, in this video, we will learn how to use the path tool. So, let's get started. First, identify the trend or pattern you want to forecast. Use the line drawing tool to outline the previous structure. Next, grab the path tool and extend the line into the future to project where current momentum may lead. You can also draw paths using key levels like support/resistance. Connect price points to forecast potential movements. The path tool converts your lines into projected targets. Use it to visualize possible market outcomes. When trading, reference your forecasted paths for potential areas of confluence. But let price action confirm. Paths are guides, not guarantees. Have targets in mind but be flexible. The market won't follow paths perfectly. Keep practicing with the path tool to improve your trend and volatility forecasts. Short forecasting skills give an edge. Alright traders, this is how you use the path tool today to enhance your trade analysis and planning on TradingView. I'll see you on the next video.